In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add bullet and sub-bullet points in Google Docs. Organizing your content with bullet points is a simple but powerful way to enhance readability and structure your document effectively. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can master adding these formatting elements in no time. First, you need to open your Google Doc file. Ensure you're logged into your Google account and navigate to Google Docs using your preferred browser. Click on the document where you want to work with bullet points. If you are starting from scratch, simply open a new document. For those who already have text ready, navigate to that particular section of your document where the list should be added. Once your document is open, you need to pinpoint the list items you wish to turn into bullet points. Click and hold your mouse at the start of your list and drag to highlight the entire section you want to convert. This ensures that all items in your intended list are selected and ready for formatting. Highlighting accurately is crucial. Make sure not to skip any items you wish to include in your bulleted list. Next, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page. You'll find various formatting options there, including the bulleted list icon. Click on this icon and you'll see your highlighted text transform beautifully into a bulleted list. It instantly gives a more organized and professional look to your information. This simple action streamlines your content and helps the reader easily grasp the key points. Now, if you have items within this main list that need further categorization, you can create sub-bullets. Start by selecting the specific sub-items from your list. Just like before, highlight each item that you want to subordinate under a main bullet point. This helps in clearly differentiating the primary points and the detailed sub-points. After you've highlighted the sub-list items, return to your toolbar and look for the Increase Indent feature, often represented by an arrow pointing to the right. But here's a pro tip. You can also simply press the Tab key on your keyboard. This action will move the highlighted items to a sub-bullet position, creating a neat hierarchical structure. By following these steps, you will have a structured and organized document with clear bullet and sub-bullet points, enhancing the clarity and readability of your content. I hope you found these instructions easy to follow and that you feel more confident in formatting your documents with bullet points in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.